Y'all, welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we got another interesting video for you guys to check out today. So today's video is going to be about a woman that singles out her boyfriend's son. She says that he's not her responsibility. Let's get into the video. Bob. Bob.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why my son?
What
do you mean? Why I got the camera in your face? Why do my son keep coming to me telling me that you treating him different than the rest of the kids?
Because he is different than the rest of the kids.
How?
He's my son.
Because he's not your son,
No,
but he's my son.
Right.
So you should be treating him like your son too.
No, he's not my son. He does not belong to me. It's your responsibility to take care of your son. I don't expect for when my kid. There's nobody taking care of my kids other than me. Talking about. They're your kids. So yes, you take care of our kids together and you take care of your son.
But you don't take care of my son. You don't treat my son like he family, like he part of our family.
He here. I mean, he don't go without.
He be here. He live here. He go with his mother occasionally. What are you talking about?
Okay, but he's also not my son. Like, what do you want me to do? That's not my child. You want me to sit around and treat him the exact same as I treat my children? He's not my child. He's gonna feel different.
No, he shouldn't feel different. I'm not his mother. He should feel at home when he comes to his dad's house.
I'm not his mother. I'm not about to do this with you.
You're not his mother, but you my girl at the end of the day.
Right.
So you're supposed to be treating my son accordingly.
You act like I be knocking the Lord or something. I don't be doing nothing to him.
You don't gotta knock him upside his head for him. You might as well be doing that, not giving him candy, making him feel different than the rest of the kids.
First of all, your son is bad. I don't know what kind of training he got. It may have to have something to do with that ragged baby mama you got, but that's not on me.
At the end of the day, this don't got nothing to do with my baby mother. This don't got nothing to do with nothing else but you treating my son differently from the rest of the kids.
Your son is different than the rest of the children. He's not my son. Like I told you that from jump.
If you don't start treating my kids,
I told you that from jump. I told you that from jump that your child, I will, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna make sure he's straight, like in regards to he's not gonna hurt himself or get hurt. But I also told you can't expect me to step up and be a mom to somebody that's not mine. I told you that. I don't think I have that capability. We had that conversation.
If this was vice versa, I would be treating your daughter accordingly. Just the same way I treat you.
But you don't have to. But you don't have to because I didn't come to you with no outside children. I didn't come with you with them straight. I didn't come with you with that.
Wow. But
did I?
But at the end of the day, you decided to stay with me and you knew I had a kid. You decided to stay with me.
Right, and so you should step up and take care of that extra whatever. Wow. That's on you. Wow. That's not on me.
You don't think that's just a little bit child?
So you telling me I have a baby, I bring the baby home, you gonna take care of it and be a father?
If you had the kid before me and we get in a relationship, why wouldn't I? That don't make sense not to.
I wouldn't expect you to. I wouldn't put that all on you. If you did that, that was up to you. Wow. But I wouldn't put that on you. That's a lot to put on my shoulders.
Look
what you
at
want
this,
me to do?
Y'all look at this. This makes sense to y'all?
Look at it. Do it make sense? I mean, we've been together how long?
If you had a kid already,
now and
then me and you had two kids,
and then you broke.
Nobody had to say nothing to me. It was my son who said something.
Okay, right.
I could see this.
So he's upset because he didn't get a piece of candy. Little bad time out when the other kids got to play. What happened?
No, my son is upset because he said that you was giving the other kids stuff, candy, juice, snacks, taking them outside, and he's making my son sit in the house.
Because he did deserve, because he be running around here like he don't have a sister, don't want to listen.
Oh, the kids we got already ain't bad.
So when I tell him stuff, he knows I'm not his mother. When I tell him stuff, he don't listen. So because he don't listen, guess what he don't get? The same everybody else get. And guess what I'm not going to do? Enforce nothing because that's not my child. So now I'm in a position to where all I got to do is tell him to sit in the house, let the kids do whatever they want to do, and wait till home because you're his father. He's not going to listen to me, and I'm not going back and forth with you about this. So have a conversation with your son. Maybe if you got your son to
listen. What are you talking about?
Right, okay. And
my son is only going to...
Our 3-year-old listens. What are you saying? What's your point? What's your point?
You just unreasonable.
Our 3-year-old listens.
Unreasonable, and you're not even reasoning about something that's logical.
You want to know why our 3-year-old listens to me? Because I'm their mother. Okay, so that's the point. So you figure it out. You figure out how to fix that.
If you don't start treating my son the right way, I'm gonna have to leave you. That's pretty much it.
All right, we'll get your son to listen, and we'll see. We'll go from there.
Get my son to listen.
Get your son to listen, and we'll go from there.
Listen.
Exactly. So are we done?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Yo, man. I already know what I'm about to say is probably going to be a little bit more on the controversial side, which I completely understand. But, oh well, the hell with it. Y'all already know this is my channel. I'm going to say what I feel what I say, and whatnot. We're going to go to speak our minds. So, the bottom line is, y'all had that conversation beforehand, fam. And you already knew prior to getting in that marriage how she was going to operate because she said it. Y'all had the conversation. And if you had that conversation and you knew this is what I'm signing up for, and you still sign that damn contract, hey, it is what it is. She already said, listen, I'm going to make sure that he is fed. I'm going to make sure that he's good. But do not expect for me to act like his mother, okay? You signed up for this. This is nothing new. This is not something that she just started doing. She told you from jump what it is. Don't expect me to be a mother to somebody that is not my child. Now, if you wanted a young lady that does operate like that, there are plenty of women out here that you could have chose from. But yet and still, you took this young lady, you married her, you accepted everything going into the marriage. So don't just all of a sudden come from out of nowhere and get upset. And then she said that your son is bad. Y'all know, listen, I don't fool with disrespectful kids. If you have a child that's being disrespectful, I'm good, fam. I'm good. I don't care whose kid it is. I don't give a damn. If you have anybody that's being disrespectful, I don't waste my time with them. So I respect what she's saying. Listen, I'm not about to sit here and deal with that. That's your son at the end of the day. You know what I mean? And if your son is being extra, trying to argue, fuss, fight, kick, scream, I don't care. I don't deal with disrespectful kids. I'm just speaking from how I live my life. I don't deal with disrespectful kids. I don't deal with disrespectful people. If you're going to be disrespectful, we have nothing to talk about. We have no reason to be engaging in any type of conversation. And I mean that thing wholeheartedly. I don't deal with disrespectful people. Go about your business. There is no reason why you are here. There is no reason why you're in my presence. There's no reason why we need to kick it, converse, whatever. There is no reason behind it. I don't deal with disrespect, so I understand exactly what it is that she's saying. Our children, our 3-year-old understands what respect is, and it pisses me off because you have people out there. You have some parents out there are just people running their doggone mouths and always want to run in the Victim Olympics and make excuses for these kids. Some of them are almost damn grown. And they steady making excuses as to why they can't at least be respectful to adults. No, we not rocking like that over here. If you have a disrespectful child, you deal with them. I'm not about to. I'm not about to deal with that. You can take them, go about your doggone business. She a good one. She is a good one because ain't no way in the heck. Disrespectful people in general, it makes the back of my hand itch. I cannot. That thing just, man, it's that and liars. Those two things right there, man, it just does something all up in here that I just can't. I can't stand it. But no, seriously, she said that he was disrespectful. And if you think that I'm about to reward bad behavior, you have lost your freaking mind. I'm not about to do that. If that's something that you choose to do, then you do that on your time. You do that on your watch. But don't think that I'm about to do the exact same thing. It don't rock like that over here. And you can hate it or love it, fam. But again, this is what these two signed up for. That's why you have to be careful about who you are married to and make sure that they have a different type of mindset other than, honestly, these two. I mean, I'm kind of leaning a little bit more to her side on this. I don't like to really pick sides, but I'm leaning a little bit more to her side on this. You got a disrespectful child. I already told you what it was since day one. You cannot be upset with me because, again, we already had this conversation a long time ago. And this is nothing new. And the rules and everything that I'm laying down are things that I'm giving to all of our children. The problem is you have a disrespectful kid that you need to deal with. Deal with him. Don't expect me to. But I want to hear from y'all, man. Listen, I can go all freaking day about this particular topic right here. I do not. I just can't deal with disrespectful people and especially disrespectful children. That is a complete no. Heck no. But yeah, let's hear from y'all, man. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. All right, y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace. Stay away from disrespectful motherfuckers. Whew.
Blueberry, Burberry, butternup. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa. Too bad was you know they roll.